Hi there everyone, this is Mayur Gohil. This is my fifth video lecture on bilinear transformation. In this video lecture, I shall be solving one of the problem. This problem I had already given to you in my previous video lecture as a practice question, and I have added this further part to this of sketching the figures. Okay, so let us see how to solve this problem. First, you consider the transformation W is equals to 1 upon Z. Okay, this can be written as Z equal to 1 upon W. Now we already know that Z is equals to X plus Iy and W is equals to U plus Iv. So substitute these values in this equation, Z equal to 1 upon W. Once you substitute, you get X equals to X plus Iy is equals to 1 upon U plus Iv. Now you solve the RHS by taking the conjugate of U plus Iv and multiply and divide it into the numerator and denominator. On solving, what do you get? X plus Iy equal to U upon U square plus V square minus Iv upon U square plus V square. Now if you observe that LHS is also a complex variable function and the RHS is also a complex variable function. So X plus Iy, these are equal if and only if the real part and the imaginary part are equal. So thus what we get is X is equals to U upon U square plus V square and Y is equals to minus of V upon U square plus V square. So what we get here is the expression for X and expression for Y. Now we have to find the image of the straight line y minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So we have already found the expression of x and y. We substitute it in this equation of the straight line. Once we substitute, we obtain this equation. Okay. Now multiply u square plus v square throughout on both the sides, on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So what you get is minus of v minus of u plus u square plus v square equals to 0. Now this is the equation of circle. So let us find the center as well as the radius. I am going to complete the square of u square minus u and v square minus v. So on completing the square, I get u square minus u plus 1 by 4 plus v square minus v plus 1 by 4 equal to half. Thus, what do I get is u minus half the whole square plus v minus half the whole square is equals to half. So, finally I obtain the center and the radius, where the center of the circle will be half, that is this half, comma half. Okay, this half comma half is the center and the radius is the square root of this half. Okay, thus the radius is 1 upon root 2. Okay, so that is what we have obtained. So we have obtained the center and the radius of the circle. Now to draw the figures, that is this straight line and this circle that we have obtained, let us see how to go about it. It is easy to draw the straight line in Z plane, just like in XY plane we draw. This is the image of the straight line, that is this red color line that you see is the straight line y minus x plus 1 equals to 0. And under the transformation W is equals to 1 by Z, that straight line gets converted into this blue color circle that you see over here, which is u minus half the whole square plus v minus half the whole square is equals to half. That is what we got as the image of the straight line. Hence our problem is solved. So we have found the image of the straight line, which is this circle, and we have drawn the figure that were required. So that is it. So we have done with the problem solving. So if you have any other difficulties related to this topic, do let me know. I shall help you as soon as possible, and till then, keep solving mathematics, stay happy, see you in the next video lecture.